In this video I'm going to show you how to create Snapchat account. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So just open Snapchat. I just downloaded from App Store, from iPhone App Store. So then tap on sign up this bottom side, and you need to give some permissions. So tap on OK and it record allow. After that enter your name, then enter your name first, then last name, then tap on continue and enter your date of birth correctly, and then continue, and Snapchat will automatically create an username and you can change it like that. So like that, and it's available. So tap on continue and set a password. You make sure you enter it minimum 8 characters. So enter password, make sure your password is strong enough, then tap on continue. You can use email for Snapchat account, or you can use phone number. So I'm using phone number. Then enter your phone number, then tap on finish. I think they will send a verification code through phone number, so you need to wait few seconds for verification code. I think verification code is then done, and as you can see it automatically detect my phone number, phone box. So they here showing lots of contact, detect from my contact list. Then I can directly add from here or just skip it, then skip and create your Bitmoji, or then skip it, then tap on allow for your camera. As you can see, full access. So yeah, my Snapchat account is created. So that way you can create a Snapchat account. Pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.